In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add auto captions in CapCut on desktop for free, step by step. This is a super useful feature if you want to make your videos easier to watch, more engaging, and more accessible without typing every caption manually. Whether you are making YouTube videos, short-form content, tutorials, or social media edits, auto captions can save you a massive amount of time. And best of all, on desktop you can do this with CapCut free. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut Desktop on your computer and start a new project. If you already have a project open, you can use that too, but for this tutorial, we'll begin from scratch so you can follow along easily. Once you're inside CapCut, look for the Import button. Click it and choose the video file you want to work with from your computer. After the file imports, drag and drop your video clip down into the timeline at the bottom of the screen. This is important because CapCut needs the video placed on the timeline before it can generate captions from the audio. Now that your clip is in the timeline, look at the top left menu bar and click the Text tab. This is where CapCut keeps all of its text and caption tools. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll see an option called Auto Captions. Click that option to open the caption generator settings. Here, CapCut will ask you to choose the language spoken in your video. Make sure you select the correct language so the transcription is as accurate as possible. If your audio is in English, choose English. If it's another language, select the matching one from the list. After that, take a moment to review any available settings, then click the blue Create button. Or in some versions it may say Generate. Once you click it, CapCut will use its AI to listen to your audio, transcribe the speech, and automatically place caption blocks above your video track on the timeline. This is where the magic happens, because instead of creating subtitles one by one, CapCut does the work for you in just a few moments. Once the captions are generated, you can play back your video to check how accurate they are. If needed, you can click into the caption text and make small edits to correct names, words, or phrases that the AI may have misunderstood. You can also adjust the style, font, size, color, and position of your captions so they match the look of your video. That means you're not just adding subtitles, you're making your content look more polished and professional. If you want, you can also split, trim, or move caption blocks along the timeline to better match your speech. This is especially helpful if you pause, speed up, or change pacing in your video. After everything looks good, you can export your project as usual, and your auto captions will be included in the final video. So that's the full process for adding auto captions in CapCut Desktop for free. Import your video, place it on the timeline, go to Text, choose Auto Captions, select your language, and click Create. It really is that simple. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy CapCut and editing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.